I started working for Saferoads about 25 years ago, I guess. That roadway accessory industry, signposts, barriers, lighting systems is extraordinarily competitive, and the margins are low, a lot of competition, and there's a need for constant improvement. I mean, we're dealing with safety issues, and there's always a need to improve safety. So what Saferoads have been able to do is to innovate into opportunities. Darren Hodgkin, the CEO, is an extremely practical person, very innovative, sees problems, sees solutions, very good businessman. He's not looking to use IP other than as a commercial tool. He may see innovations that he thinks would be useful and would be very beneficial, but he's not going to commercialise those unless there's a commercial endpoint. And the same goes with IP. Firstly, he's used it as an initial barrier to entry to third parties. So having patent applications here and elsewhere has presented a barrier to competitors for entry. It's given him an opportunity to get into the market and establish himself in the market as a leader, and that's been very important to him in a number of instances. He's also used IP as an opportunity to license to third parties. So if he's seen market opportunities in areas where he's not as able to service them directly as other people, he's been alive to the opportunity to license the IP to those third parties. And he's seen IP as a source of information. So he's alive to looking at what other people have done, both here and overseas, and to use the IP literature as a source of information. And that's been helpful for him in looking at the way businesses elsewhere and here are tackling problems. So he's not one of these guys who says, it's going to be made by me or invented by me and I don't care about anyone else. He looks at all possible sources. So IP has that direct protection exclusion opportunity, it has a licensing opportunity, and it has an information opportunity. And with all of that, he's prepared to cross-license. So if he needs to do a deal, he's prepared to cross-license his technology to another party and receive the other party's technology. We don't want to protect inventions simply for the sake of protecting inventions. We don't want to file patent applications here and elsewhere and incur enormous costs for our clients simply for the sake of doing it. We want our clients to be commercially successful in what they do.